Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best sleeve clips is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to keep their clothing looking sharp and professional, especially when dealing with oversized or ill-fitting sleeves that can detract from an otherwise polished appearance, offering a simple yet effective solution to a common fashion dilemma that many people face on a daily basis. Number 5. 72 PCS wire shelf clips for one post. Tired of damaged shelf clips? Replace them easily without buying a whole new shelf. It's a cost-effective solution that saves you money. These clips are designed to be compatible with many popular brands. They fit shelves from Metro, Honey Can Do, HDX, and Costco, ensuring a perfect match for your existing system. Lost the original clips for your wire shelves? These are the perfect replacement, especially for shelves from Target. They offer a durable alternative to discarding your shelves. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, these clips are built for a durable service life. You get 72 clips in total, enough for 9 shelves, with 4 clips needed per shelf. Designed to fit wire racks with 1-inch diameter metal poles. They are ideal for various shelving needs, providing stability and proper layer spacing for your metal shelving system. If you have a wire shelving system and are missing these essential clips, don't wait. This is the perfect solution to get your shelves back in order. What we like? If you have a large wire shelving system and need to replace many clips, this pack offers excellent value. It provides enough clips for up to 9 shelves, ensuring you can secure your entire setup without frequent purchases. Choose this if you prioritize quantity and cost-effectiveness for extensive shelving needs. What people say? These clips fit perfectly on my wire shelf and are working well to support the shelves. They were a great replacement for old and worn-out Trinity metal shelf clips. They came very quickly and worked out perfectly. Works well with my Trinity stainless shelf. Used these to replace the ones lost in transit. Works great, holds the shelves up under great loads. Number 4. Blooming Jelly Women's Puff Sleeve Tops. Elevate your summer wardrobe with our stylish puff sleeve tops. Designed for comfort and fashion, these blouses are a must-have. Add a touch of timeless charm to your look with the classic white polka dot pattern. It's a versatile print that never goes out of style. Perfect for any occasion, these tops transition seamlessly from casual outings to dressier events. Enjoy effortless style all day long. Crafted from breathable fabric, they keep you cool and comfortable during warm summer days. Feel as good as you look. Discover the perfect blend of fashion and femininity. These blouses are designed to make you feel confident and chic. Experience the quality and style that Blooming Jelly is known for. Add this essential piece to your collection today. What we like? If you're looking for a versatile top that can be dressed up or down, this is a great choice. The puff sleeves add a trendy touch, while the polka dot pattern keeps it classic. It's perfect for those who want a stylish yet comfortable option for various summer occasions. What people say? It is of good quality and all the seams are sewn well so it won't come apart when you wash it. The elastic on the arms is snug but not too tight. The slightly puffed sleeves give the blouse a high-end look. Number 3. Premium Leather RFID Blocking Wallet. Introducing our premium leather wallet, designed for the modern minimalist. It offers robust RFID blocking technology to keep your sensitive information safe. Despite its compact size, this wallet can hold up to 10 cards. Its minimalist design ensures it fits comfortably in your pocket without unnecessary bulk. Experience the luxury of genuine premium leather. It's not only stylish but also durable, designed to withstand daily use. Easily access your essential cards with the integrated money clip and card holder design. Everything you need is organized and readily available. Travel with peace of mind knowing your credit cards and personal data are protected from unauthorized scans. This wallet is your secure companion. Upgrade your everyday carry with this elegant and functional accessory. It's the ideal blend of style, security, and convenience. What we like? If security and minimalism are your top priorities, this wallet is for you. The RFID blocking technology protects your cards from electronic theft, and its slim design holds up to 10 cards without bulk. Consider this if you want to streamline your pockets and keep your sensitive information safe. What people say. The wallet is great. It's very small. I keep my license in the window pocket, and the credit card I primarily use in the outside slide pocket. This is the perfect setup for me, as I easily and extremely quickly get to either when required. This is well constructed, genuine leather, has RFID protection and holds more than I expected it to hold while remaining thin. This is exactly what I've been looking for in a wallet. It's thin and easily fits in my front pocket. It has plenty of room for cards. I carry 6 or so. It has a separate, easy access slot for cash, which negates the need for a money clip. It's sturdy, so my cards don't get bent while the wallet is in my pocket. It has RFID protection, and it looks sleek and professional. Number 2. JSP Manufacturing One-Post Wire Shelf Clips. Introducing our high-quality wire shelf clips, designed to securely fasten your shelving units. These are essential for any metal rack system. Our clips are designed to fit any 1-inch diameter posts, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of popular shelving brands. You can trust them to work with your existing setup. Installation is a breeze with these clips, as no tools are required. Simply slide them into place for a quick and easy setup. Made from durable ABS plastic in a sleek black finish, these clips are built to last. They are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship. This pack includes 16 split sleeves, which is enough for 2 shelves. You'll have everything you need to organize your space effectively. For optimal load-bearing capacity, the clips are designed not to clasp completely shut. Refer to the installation image for more details on achieving the best results. What we like. If you need reliable clips and prefer products manufactured domestically, this is an excellent option. They are designed for easy installation on one posts and are compatible with many popular brands. Opt for this if you value American-made quality and straightforward functionality for your shelving. What people say. Perfect replacement for missing pieces. Perfect fit for my shelves. They arrived 2 weeks earlier than expected and they fit my shelves perfectly. Number 1. Wire Shelf Clips, 54-pack black ABS plastic. Tired of wobbly shelves? These clips lock your wire shelving securely in place, ensuring stability and safety. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, these clips are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy a long service life. Designed to fit wire racks with a 1-inch outer diameter metal pole. They are the perfect solution for various shelving systems. Don't buy a new shelf. Easily replace lost or broken clips with these replacements, saving you money and hassle. These are compatible with many popular brands like Metro, Alera, and more. They are a versatile solution for your shelving needs. Each package includes 54 clips, providing enough for all your shelving requirements. You'll have plenty to keep your shelves in top condition. What we like. If you have a moderate number of shelves to outfit or replace clips on, this 54-pack offers a good balance of quantity and quality. These clips are designed for secure locking and durability, ensuring your shelves remain stable over time. Choose this if you need a dependable solution for maintaining your wire shelving system. What people say. It's high quality, reliable, and performs exactly as described. Easy to use and well made, it feels durable and thoughtfully designed. These split-sleeve wire shelf clips were a real lifesaver when I lost a bag full of the former ones but had to get shelves assembled and ready to store things away. They are heavy-duty, much like those that were original to my shelves. They fit nicely, and somewhat rather snug on the poles. Perfect fit for my Honeywell brand 5-tier wire rack shelves with 1 poles. Higher quality and a bit thicker and more robust than the original clips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.